right there.
Boy.
Right on top, bro.
That's a nice looking weird potato, but it's good.
It's a fucking potato.
They all mash the same. I'm just kidding.
Alright. We're about to find out, bro. Oh, this thing's so brittle, dude. It's been put through the ringer. Sound like Garth or whatever it is. We're gonna see if there's any of these taters in there. There's probably one, you know what I mean? At least we got one. Probably a couple of these. Oh, I don't know. We'll have to find out in this big old mystery box. Yeah. Let's see, dude.
Up, see.
Oh, I see it.
Oh shit, I might have grown some taters.
Use that soil too.
Oh yeah.
Look at them potatoes.
Funky looking potatoes.
Oh yeah, 'cause there's a bunch of them.
They probably grow funky just as like the small.
That's a good one.
There's good ones in, yeah.
Oh, I don't know. There's more of the fresh
Oh,
little
it's just-
taters, dude.
Getting into them.
See if there's any little ones in there.
Oh.
Yep, get that little tater, Keenan. Go through them ones. You're good at spotting them too. You want to get some out of here? Come on, dig for some. You're good.
That's cool. Here's some taters.
See if we got some more in here, man. Oh yeah. Oh.
I'm going inside there and contain it.
Now we're getting to the cookie of it. Right here.
Huh?
Look at that big old mass of all them potatoes, bro.
Oh, there's one.
Michigan gardener wearing slides to harvest potatoes.
Dad, we need the smaller ones.
Yeah, make sure there's no small ones in there. You want to get some big ones, bust them open and see what you got in there. Look at this little baby one, King.
I want to eat that one.
No, we need them for stews, man. See if there's any in there.
Oh, got potatoes. Got like 5 of these.
Oh yeah, get them off there, all them little ones. Make sure we don't damage them. Try to throw them on the side. Look at all these little taters on there. Them are perfect for like what Noah makes when you make them. All these little ones.
Nice. Here's some taters.
I guess so, bro. Our family can grow, huh?
Guess you could have let them go a little longer though, huh?
I don't know. I just think there wasn't much room.
I don't think you probably could have got more.
All right, I'm gonna leave this. Let's see what this one had on the bottom. Oh, no little one.
Red tomatoes.
Oh, there's one right there. Man.
No, smaller one.
The little baby one.
No, that's
Let's see what else we got in here. Turn it all up.
Did them all?
Let's see. I can't believe all that dirt was in that bucket, yo.
Yeah, it was packed, bro. That's probably why they didn't grow a lot too.
Mm-hmm.
No. No.
Getting all up in there, Keena. Make sure you don't lose any of these little babies, man. Spit them all out.
those nooks and crannies.
Nooks and crannies. Look at all them shooters that were coming out too, man.
One.
That's a lot of turtles.
Oh yeah, we got them on here, Keena.
All
These little baby ones.
like today right now. It's burnt this baby. Yeah,
It is so cute how like fruit and animals and veggies and all that like grow little like humans.
Yeah, they do.
Like look at how cute these little peppers are.
I love those little jalapenos. Those things are